No way, I finally got into the service menu. Nice. Want to increase horizontal width. I turned the contrast up a bit, but the service menu is extremely limited, so I'm probably going to have to adjust the horizontal size inside this set. It's not impossible to turn this thing around and work on it, but it's kind of difficult, but it's what I'm going to have to do. Let's ruin this platform. And it's the 4th of July. This show's gonna look awesome on here. Got the RCA out, we'll watch All in the Family on it tonight. Which I haven't done yet. I wanted an RCA, 70s RCA to watch it on. It should look pretty damn good. Nice.
That this beloved land is going to hell in a handbasket, boy. That's my
Still is.
people. Now, when you say people,
Let's forget about that for today. 1992. TV's in 96.
My home, sweet home.
Okay, we're gonna turn it around, get all the crap off it, and take the back off, see if we can make any adjustments. Pro video audio out. D-test. Here's the cutoff. That one right there is AGC adjust. And that one doesn't have... Oh no, it's sub bright. If I can't make any adjustments in here, the only thing I could do is turn the screen control up because it's kind of worn out. I wiped off the LED for the front power light. Just noticed something. SVHS for Pro Video. One brand, and I plugged it in. Save the elephants. Switched places with Fraser, so Fraser's on at 1 a.m. instead of her. 1-8. I don't know. Let's put it on channel 8, so it's not gonna get hit for copyright. Even though this converter box made by lousy garbage in China, it's amazing. It still works. Like no issues with these ever. I've had 2 of them. Yeah. On camera, it looks perfect. Let's see if I can make it look how it looks in person. Yeah. Too fast. What are our settings again? I think we defeated the Black Crush. Yeah, it looks good. Okay. What channel is this again? This is not on my favorites because it remembers the crop you're at. Or zoom setting. Let's put this back on something old. Yeah, the black's, it's a little more brighter, which was the goal. Looks pretty good, so let me grab lunch. You never know it, but we switched over to RF. So we're using the other converter box, and the coax out doesn't work on there. Oh yes. Perfect era-appropriate video for this set. Yes, it's 4x3. It's a DVD rip.
Top secret projects.
I don't think this is a high-hour set after all. It's just high voltage attracts dust, and we got that smoking shit in the air. This TV is a health hazard, but I'm still using it. That's why I'm gonna quit going. Oh yes, Flavor Country TV. It's a Ciera. colors just look so great on this set. You know, like a lot of the CRTs do. Yeah, it looks great. First saw this on the Trinitron. Today was the day I got rid of it. Miss that set, just like I'm gonna miss her. I meant that the other way around. It's Monday evening, July 14th. And the Bell+Howell is going away because we have a 32-inch Sharp with S-Video. Has a Hitachi picture tube, which was a pleasant surprise. Left home knowing damn good and well this could have an RCA picture tube in it that didn't age so well. But it doesn't. It's got a Hitachi tube. Need to get the parts list for the Zenith right there so I can recap it, get rid of those stupid jail bars.